me see.
No.
I feel everything.
Daddy, read me a good night story.
All right. During this reenactment, you will be played by Ula.
Aloha! Sorry about your brain.
I can feel my brain.
But one day,
he spent his time in the
deepest parts of my memory. My memory.
Translation.
He spent his time in the forest cutting down boughs from the trees.
When the bough breaks,
One day,
the cradle will fall.
so I made a little mistake.
Blinded by the light.
But Daddy will catch it and baby won't fall.
His day's work was through.
Hold it, Shakespeare.
We have a bad connection. I can't hear you so well.
Blinded by the light.
And he developed a hacking. Well, I know it can't be cow.
The people.
Hey, go ahead and tell them.
The cat.
Todos los años se pone peor y peor y peor de la cabeza esta mujer.
That's English. Suffered in the translation.
I know, I changed your name for your protection.
Come on, lady, you can go out in the world.
Blinded by the light.
Do you have any idea who I am?
The blood in my veins.
I've never even met you.
From the higher rooftops down to the sea.
His day's work was through.